Hi students, today we will study the lesson number 4, construction of the triangle. Okay, in this question I will read the question. Okay, I will show you step by step how to solve this question. To construct the triangle PQR in which QR is the 4.2 centimeter, angle Q is given as an 40 degree and PQ plus PR is given as an 8.5 centimeter. Now I have drawn here 4.2 centimeter QR. Okay, I have drawn this 4.2 centimeter QR. Now what we have to take here, angle Q is equal to 40 degree. I will take this protractor and draw the 40 degree. See here, you can see here deeply where it is an 40 degree. Here now I will draw with the help of an scale this 40 degree. This construction we have to draw it very carefully so that your answer will become correct. Okay, now this 40 degree angle you have to draw very big. Okay, this angle Q is an 40 degree. Now what it is given as PQ plus PR is equal to 8.5 centimeter. Now take this scale, measure 8.5 centimeter. See here I have taken here 8 point, you can see here I have taken 8.5 centimeter till here 0. Okay, now you will make the arc from the Q on this line which is an 8.5 centimeter. Now what we will do here, draw this new point and what it is an QR. Okay, new point, and here I will give another name, that is an X I will give here. Okay, now this is a new segment. Now what we have to do here, draw a perpendicular to this XR. How you will draw this perpendicular to XR? Take more than half, make an arc first above, then downwards from R, and again from X, cut this given arc. Okay, now we will get the 2 points, this one and this 2 point. What we will do here, join these 2 points. Okay, we will join these 2 points with the help of an scale. Okay, we will join these 2 points with the help of an scale. Understand student? See here it is an 2 points we will get. Now our new point here, it is an P. Okay, now we will join here this PR. This is our new constructed triangle. What we have done here, first we have taken the measure of QR 4.2 centimeter, then we have taken the angle Q 40 degree, then we have taken the 8.5 centimeter. This is an 8.5 centimeter PQ plus PR. Okay, now next what we have done, this new point I have here, we have got the X due to PQ plus PR 8.5 here joined, and then we have drawn the perpendicular to this XR, and new point we have get, that is the point P. This is our constructed triangle PQR. Understand student? Okay, thank you.